If you want to see how I went from busted and disgusted with this hair to these pleasantly plump twists with my homemade DIY deep conditioner, just stay tuned. Keep watching. Okay, so it's been about an hour. Okay, bear with me. I broke my tripod. That'll be a time, I think, for another day. But I've had left this on for about an hour or so. You know, all depends on your own hair, how long your hair is. Hell, you can leave it overnight if you feel like it. That's your prerogative. This is it. I'm about to go rinse. About to go rinse it out. And we'll be back. This is what my hair looks like after an hour with the deep conditioner on it. So this is my hair all rinsed out, no product whatsoever. You see the definition. Don't even play like you don't see it. And yes, I see my ends. I always clip my ends, so no worries, no worries. All right, word to the wise. I forgot once I blended up my aloe vera, I was supposed to strain it. So what you see is little clumps of aloe vera leaf in there. Just shake your head, just shake it like it's all shaking and get it out. End result, juicy plump twist.